Development.
I think someone's having a nervous wee. Dave, don't hit my vehicle, please. Game mode. That's ideal because that's what we're doing. Hello everyone, Rob from Fieldsports with Speed. We are back in Wales, and this trip we have got the dream team and we are at PENNAL on one of Cambrian Bird's finest I can't even speak properly, one of their finest shoots. Here they come. That is serious. Oh! What a beauty. Oh, nowhere near. Oh, you got to keep pushing that line. That's down. Oh God, they're coming back the other way now. I mean, we have got a hefty wind today. It's like a solid 25 mile per hour wind, and they are motoring. It's just trying to find that line, but also a massive gap at the same time. It's like no shooting I've ever known, this whale shooting. It is just so spectacular. Yes, good boy. Awesome. Thank you, mate. Serious that. Look at that bird. It's just hanging there. Oh, wider! Wow, look at that. Oh my days. Yes, Rich. Oh, wow. You think they're coming straight and then they're drifting. It's like the best shooting I've ever done. Dead. But I think I'm going too much on the gap that I'm actually losing the line, if that makes sense. That's a monster. Oh my Lord. That's just going into the next world, I reckon. Good shot! Look at that cockbird, come on. Come on. He's dead. Look at that. Oh. No way. Oh, lovely shot. Good shot. That was Dave. He definitely didn't hit my truck. What an absolute stormer. There we go. First drive is officially done. And what a drive that was. I got a bit worried to start with because I couldn't really hit anything, to be quite honest with you. But I found them in the end. It's just getting too excited. Too excited, really. It was just pushing the gap too much, losing line. You've got to find that line on these birds. They are drifting, drifting, drifting. You think birds are coming to you, and all of a sudden they go 2 guns down, and then you think they're going to those guns and they come to you. It's a really strange thing. But what a drive to start. I think this drive is called Happy Valley. Not 100% sure. Supposed to be a warm-up drive. And if this is what we're going to be seeing all day, I just genuinely can't wait for the next one.
4 days a week. I love it. Just makes it so much fun.
That's a view.
It's cool, isn't it?
Ah.
On to the second drive. I haven't got a clue what the name of it is, and I really, really wish I bought a coat now. Oh my days. Oh man. Why does Wales do this to us? So if you're looking at the quality of these videos and you think, oh, I wish he did them in better quality, I really am trying, but the weather does not make this easy. How is that still going? There he goes. He's down. He's dead. Feet out. He's done. That's the thing, like with that bird, it's dead. I've hit it second barrel. I've hit it right up front. It's got a pellet in the head. It's towering up. For anyone who thinks that it's still alive, it's not. It's dead. I've come equipped with big bombs again today. My choice is the Ely Zenith 436 in the Pro Eco. It's a great shell. I've got confidence with this shell. Through my half T chokes, through this barrel on this gun, I know that they work. I know that they're able to kill these birds. And if I don't, it's just purely because I've put them in the wrong place. So this is the setup for this drive. Got guns all the way down and around here, all the way back. What a stunning, stunning place. It really is. You can probably see behind me the beaters coming in from there. The beaters are coming in from this way as well. They're pushing it down. You can see loads of partridge moving across here. And apparently they're going to pinch it in and they are going to come straight through here. But we are going to see birds coming from all directions, basically. That was a mega partridge. Wow. Look at that. Oh, missed down the side. Lovely. Wow. That was incredible. A couple of beautiful birds. Look at that cock bird. Oh my God. Look at it. Oh my days. That's dead. That is dead. Wow. Oh, I've got to stop saying wow. I've just got to stop. A lot of low partridge going through. You know, don't have to shoot them all. I'm looking for a nice bird. And there's plenty of them. Look at them ones. They're going off that mountain. Again, I know I say it all these times, but really appreciate what the beaters are doing. They're doing an amazing job. It's not easy walking up those sides of the mountain, so yeah, thank you very much, guys. Oh, that was like an absolute rocket. Spending too long on them. I need to just get on and shoot them. Oh, thought I'd wrap that up, but I didn't. Oh, those ones are on the boundary. They're kind of my bird, but they're going to make better birds for them down there. So these ones are nice, these long crosses. Mega, absolutely mega. That was a finisher. I wouldn't have normally shot them that low, but that was hit. If you got a barrel in the gun, use it. Some more cartridges. Good Lord, look at that cock bird. Oh! What a shot. Oh, like a rocket. There we go. End of the second drive. Wowzers, that was pretty different. Those partridge were just insane. Coming from all different angles, all different heights, drifting upwards and downwards. It's just partridge shooting at its best, it really is. And I'm not really a partridge shooting fan, to be honest. I do like my long tails. But when you're getting big birds like that, they're all worth shooting at. I really wish I just ejected them all in one place. That's probably the most shots I've had on a drive for a long time. So there you go. Well, some very naughty person shooting a plaswad, which you really shouldn't be using plaswads. But you can see there, that is a eco wad. So you can see it's turned into like a soft jelly. So that literally, that'll only be a day or two old. Another good rain, that will be completely gone. Michael, can you tell the rain to go away, please?
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day.
Is that working? Yeah, it is. Oh my god, thank you very much. So you got your hands up.
Okay.
Thank you.
Pheasant and pork sausage rolls, and then you've got venison sausage rolls.
Nice, I'm going to have one of them. Thank you very much. Yeah, what you got here, Tom?
So we've got a selection of indulgent delights.
Wow, you really did that. Yeah. I can't take you seriously wearing them. What the hell are they?
Woot.
Woots.
Wooty for a cutie.
Is this the first tier then?
Tom, is that the best you got to offer, mate?
You're looking the wrong way, mate.
Oh, that is genuinely actually a little bit scary. Good luck, Mr. White.
I'm ready.
A lot of people have stuff on their bucket list, and one thing that's on my bucket list, and has been for a very long time, is to shoot the well-renowned humble pie. This is apparently one of the best drives you will ever shoot in the UK and maybe even the world. Stuff that's out of range, you can't shoot at the high stuff apparently because you are just not going to kill it with a shotgun. Genuinely can't believe I'm here, and I'm so looking forward to it. I have upped my size of cartridge. I'm just going to try some 3s, just purely because everyone says they're so high, I want to punch them with a big pellet. So I'm going to give these a go to start with, see if they work. If they don't, I have got the 4s that I've been using all day in my bag, so I'll just swap back to them. Everyone's pegged out, everyone is very excited. So let's see what humble pie is made of. Oh, that's it. That's dead. That's dead. Wow. Oh, I wish that sun had off. Why didn't I bring my sunglasses? What an amateur. Here they come. Highest pheasants I have ever shot in my life. Hands down. Look at Rich! Look at that for a partridge. Absolutely untouchable. Those ones are out of range. Wow. It's the way they're drifting. They're just obscene. Genuinely, it doesn't matter how good you think you are, these will beat you. Oh, yes. This is where egos get broken. And I just, honestly, I have never seen anything like this. Oh, wow. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Whoa, just like the biggest gap you could ever push in your life. Good shot. Well done, Chrissy. Ah, and here comes the rain. Couldn't have just held off for 10 minutes, could it? Here they come. Oh, yes! Yes! Oh my God. This is the best moment of my life, apart from obviously my daughter being born. Oh, what a sky full of oh my God. Jesus, I'm tripping over. Oh! Yes! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh! Yes! He's gonna run me out. Oh. I've been humbled. That, hands down, best shooting experience of my life. I genuinely can't believe it. That was the most insane birds I've ever seen in my life. And to say that I've actually took a few absolute stonkers off it is unreal. I reckon, looking around me, I must have had 80 shots there, and I killed 6 birds that I'm going to remember for a lifetime, especially that left and right. And what you've got to remember, a lot of these birds, they have been hit, they've come down, they've gone all the way to the back, they've got pickers up, loads of pickers up out back, sweep it forward, they get those birds straight away. The big ones that come over, what's the point of even shooting at them? Just watch it. It is the best experience, genuinely. This is what I've done this for, you know. I've done the channel to create opportunities to tick these things off my list, and I've done just that with that. I wouldn't swap a thing about that. I've just loved it.
Let's talk more here right now, huh? And my eyes more red than the devil is. Godzilla, King Kong, Loch Ness, Goblin.
Things to eat your brain.
There's 2 boys living their best life. Jesus, that was a good hill. That is a good hill. Right, my boy? So guys, we are on to the final drive of the day, a drive called Turbo. And I'm sort of starting to guess why it's called Turbo, because it looks pretty spicy, to be quite honest. That last drive, I actually got my shot count completely wrong, and I thought I'd had about 80 shots. I actually had 109 shots, which is the most I've ever shot on a drive before. And like I said then, it's the best experience of my life. Look at that partridge. Yes, Richard! You hero! Well shot, mate. This is what these days are about, is sharing your memories with everyone. Oh my good Lord. They're literally coming from every direction. That's a raven, don't shoot that. Oh! Yes! Dead. Dead on the ground. Lovely partridge. back end hit though. Oh, what a pheasant. Good finish. Insane. Yeah, I have actually ran out a shot cam mini. I probably should have put the bigger one on because that's got a better memory capacity, but I don't care. I'll have caught enough good memories with the mini, and it's really nice because it allows that gun to move quicker rather than having the big Gen 4 normal one on. These Ely Zenith 436s are the absolute beast. I've just killed 4 partridge in a row. They were absolute monsters. Oh, my shoulder is actually starting to hurt a little bit now. This is the most shots I've ever had in a day. Just killed about and my GoPro has fell off and not captured it. What? Oh! Get on! I'm so sorry about all the shouting and hollering, but if you're not enjoying a day like this, oh, look at that pheasant. What a beauty. What a beauty. Oh, yes! Well, you know when you just think things can't get any better? That just got better. That was absolutely serious. I don't know if that is going to be a clear picture because these cameras have been in rain, wind, shine, everything today. But that's the end of the day. Well, the end of the shooting, let's say. We've still got a lovely meal to go. Loads of stories, loads of memories being shared. This is why you come to Wales. This is just absolutely next level. I have shot birds that I will remember for a lifetime today. It's just phenomenal. Everything from the hospitality, the views, the birds, the fact that you can have the volume, you can have the shots, because you might have a shot at one that might be the bird of a lifetime. Well, in a second another one's coming, so you are going to miss them. I miss loads of birds, but I can't put every shot in because the video would be about an hour long and people would get bored. But you have loads of shots, you shoot the best birds of your life. I absolutely love it. I've watched my mates down the line shoot their birds of a lifetime, and it means a lot to me. You know, these memories, what's the point in doing it if we're not making these memories? I want to thank the whole team at Cambrian. You've done an awesome job again. Pennal has been on my bucket list, especially Humble Pie, and to shoot the birds I have on there, I couldn't be happier. It's been the day of a lifetime. Please like, comment, subscribe. We've got more days coming, and just can't wait to do them and share them with you. So I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you all for watching Fieldsports with Speed. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. This channel would not be possible without the support of my amazing sponsors who enable me to create regular content. If you are able to support the channel yourself by becoming a member of Fieldsports with Speed, then click on the join button below. It will enable you early releases, extra content, and my deepest gratitude for allowing me to create bigger and better content. Catch you on the next video.